let me prepare one more on TikTok. TikTok basically is asking a permission on these 5 things like access to contact, SMS, camera, microphone, storage. But when I went through some of the setting or the agreement paper of TikTok, I found something different. I felt curious. Why not go ahead? So first of all, they are saying whatever information we are sharing, whatever the user sharing, they are further sharing to the advertising and the advertiser, right? So this is you can see the information what they are sharing. Next, in the next page, I also found technical information we collect about you. I can found IP address, browsing history. Browsing history means on different browsers, okay, on the system. Mobile carrier information, that means your SIM card and the IMEI and all those. Time zone, identifier for advertising purposes and version, right? Similarly, device ID, network, your device type, your screen resolution and operating system, whatnot. I think almost all the informations, user profile information to identify your activity, including the region. They also said they collect the region, right? If you go to the same page, okay, on the another one, they further say that we share category of personal information listed above, okay. These are the for business. Advertising company is different, but they also say here for business purposes, research, payment processing, transaction, fulfillment, database management, whatnot. They are sharing to everyone almost, right? And here they are saying they are also maintaining the cookies. Cookies means they are maintaining the record, what you like, what you dislike, what is your favorite things, so that they can suggest you the better videos, okay. If you go to the device information here, again the location, right? They are saying they also collect information about your location, but there is no permission, they have never taken a permission for location. And they are also saying your SIM card data, your IP address, your GPS locations. They also read your sending and receiving messages through platforms, right? Whatever messaging app you are using, they are reading those. So my concern here is, and they further say here, see, not only that much, they also say that we collect information about you when you use platform, okay, and from the social media also. So if you link social media, if you post like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Google, if you post something about Twitter, then if you share from Twitter video to the social media, they also get information on this platform. So they are further getting all the information of your social media platform. And if you go here, the first page, okay, on the agreement, they also say that your registration detail, age, username, password, language, email, phone number, profile on social media, account information, profile image, user generated content like comment, photos, videos, PayPal, payment informations on your device, and everything, right? And the most important point they listed here is the person should be 13 years and old. And the agreement point number 2 says whatever data they are collecting, it is collected because you have accepted the term and condition. By accessing our or using our service, you confirm that you can form a binding contract with TikTok, that you accept these terms and you agree to comply with them. That means we comply with everything that they want, right? And the last part, what they say, they have collected all our information, everything they have, all the content they have, whatnot. I think all digital profile, everything is collected, right? And then they say we do not guarantee that our service will be secure or free from bug or viruses. You are responsible for configuring your informations, IT, program and platform to access our service. That means they don't guarantee the data security also. How many of you agree? We all use. Let me go back to the first picture. The first picture said they only going to take the permission for these 5 things: contact, SMS, camera, microphone and storage. But as you have seen, everything is accessed. Whether this is legal, I don't know. Should we use this app? I don't know, it's up to you people, right? We all can decide. It's not me, I'm nobody to suggest you should use or not, you should give this permission or not, but according to me these were the things. Maybe it's legal, maybe it's illegal, maybe it's okay for some people, maybe it's not okay for some people, right? Thank you.